English vocabulary: to set things right. To set things right is an idiomatic expression that means to correct a mistake or wrongdoing, to restore a situation to its proper or desired state, to make amends or rectify a problem. Breakdown: this phrase involves acknowledging the issue, recognizing the mistake or problem, taking corrective action, doing something to fix the issue, restoring balance, returning the situation to a state of normalcy or fairness. Differences: to set things right is distinct from to ignore the issue, disregarding or neglecting to address the problem, to exacerbate the problem, making the situation worse instead of better. Example sentences to listen to and practice. 1. She decided to set things right with her brother after their argument by apologizing and making amends. 2. The company took steps to set things right after the product recall by offering refunds and improving quality control. 3. He tried to set things right with his reputation by being transparent about his past mistakes. 4. The team worked together to set things right after the project's failure by identifying the issues and implementing new strategies. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is trying to correct a mistake, restore a relationship, or rectify a problem. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.